Good morning everyone and welcome to video challenge day 22 of problems that Alternative Voices Theatre Company solve for the universe. We are a theatre company based in Derbyshire in the East Midlands. We meet pretty regularly, once a week, and we are for adults with both physical and mental health needs. Sometimes adults can have physical and mental health needs at the same time, or they can have either a physical or a mental health need. We are a very friendly bunch and we aim to be as welcoming as possible. We've worked with a variety of different people from all sorts of walks of life. We've worked with people with anxiety and depression, people with MS, ME, people who are blind, people who are on the autism spectrum, to name a few, and we look forward to welcoming you to join our theatre company. So we've talked about lots of different issues. By now you should have known a few of them if you've been watching regularly, but if not, then please check back on previous videos and it will tell you a list of topics that we have discussed. Yesterday we talked about being allowed to play and having a space to have fun, and today we are going to talk about exploring creatively, because I think a lot of the time people these days don't seem to know how to problem solve. They seem to want solutions immediately without going through the process of working out how to get to the answer, and B, if they are somebody who does not have fun in a creative way, then they lose access to that way of viewing the world and problem solving. So a definition of creativity is exploring the world using one's own imagination, and that very much ties in with what we were talking about yesterday, because if you are having fun, then you are most likely going to be using your imagination. If you remember, when you were a child, everyone starts out playing some form of game like mummies and daddies or doctors and nurses, and that is because play helps you to understand the world around you. And that's what we do at Alternative Voices. We play drama games and we use drama to create together, to create shows that are meaningful to us and that we want to share with the audience. And we usually make our audiences do a little bit of work as well. They've got to use their imagination to solve some problems or to discuss some issues. And I believe that creativity is imperative if you want to solve any issues in life. You sometimes have to think outside the box. You have to think in ways that other people wouldn't, to solve issues. So that is what we do at Alternative Voices. So if you'd like to join us, the website is www.alternativevocestheatre.com. alternative-voices.co.uk, and our Twitter handle is at ATV1 LEVY number 21. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to meeting you soon.